didn't go my number one, but Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And then the horse and cart pulled out. Mama, you still better see this baby little income. The horse and the bus. The horse and the bus. What?
Ngayon ko na-realize na ganun pala ang sakripisyo ng mga ina. So, mas na-appreciate ko yung nanay ko, yung nanay ni Oyo, lahat ng nanay sa mundo. Sabi ko, grabe pala yung pinagdadaanan nila. So, eto pala yun. This is what it means. Kumbaga, very, selfless. Yung pagmamahal nila, yung, di bali ng, baka maiyak naman ako nito, Tito Boy, ano ba yan? Di bali nang mawalan sila ng oras for themselves, but to serve their children. Yun, perspective mo sa buhay, mag-iiba. Yung fashion mo mag-iiba, yung oras ng gising mo mag-iiba, yung katawan mo mag-iiba, lahat. At yung hormones mo, on and off, okay.